I had to switch because both my camera and my phone has died. So here is one of the offerings that someone has brought to the temple. It's just gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna venture further into the temple. And that's the entrance this way, and then the exit is that way. They're very specific about where you enter and where you exit because it has something to do with positive and negative energy and things like that. Okay, so we're inside the temple now.
So if you would like to take picture, I can take picture. You stand up here, and then with the push on the top.
Okay.
View of the stone. This one is more than 750 years ago. What we're talking about this temple, you know.
So these stones are ancient.
Yeah. And then from here, all of the young generation, they know how to make it like renovation of the architecture.
Oh, okay.
And then they copy some of the architecture from long time ago.
So basically these are very ancient stones that have been preserved from this temple from hundreds of years ago. And they kind of use it to remodel the temple, like to model the style of the architecture when they're redoing the stuff or redoing the architecture on the building. So ancient people carved these stones. So this is where their holy water is.
So the holy water only on the middle.
Oh, on the middle. Oh, okay.
And then because they don't want to throw out like that, only the water, automatically they have put some piece or everything for decoration.
Okay, so the holy water is in the middle. When they finish using it, they throw it out here. But because they didn't want to waste it.
Is from the under the land. You cannot inside.
Okay. See, here you go. But because they didn't want to waste it, they put all the fish and things around, so when they throw out the holy water, it doesn't just go to waste. That's really nice. I like fish. I just wanted to show you guys the fish and these little turtles. Hello, little turtles. Hello. So these are temple turtles. That's so nice. Catfish. Oh, he is long. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, you can kind of see. There's a long catfish in the bottom. Wow. And a duck over there. I thought it was a statue when I first saw it. The duck. But I see it's moving now. I love how they incorporate a lot of nature into their temples. When we go to church, we have no nature. But their church, their temples, have all this nature, all this life in it. That's absolutely beautiful. It feels really peaceful and really, I don't know, really alive. And to me, that's what you want out of your place of worship, not somewhere that feels hollow and dead, if that makes any sense. Okay, this is amazing. This tour, yes. I am enjoying myself to the fullest. Thank you so much. Temple stuff, I believe. Very peaceful. Very quiet except for the roaring of the waterfall, which is actually very soothing. trying to get this butterfly. It's so pretty. And it's gone. I've never seen a butterfly this pretty. Am I in a real place right now? It doesn't feel like I'm in a real place right now. And I was gonna say it's gone, but it's not. So it almost seems like a simulation. How pretty that butterfly is. So nobody could tell me or remind me that all that go down must come back up. Me and the stairs them now. Father help me. Woo. Alright, I have to turn off the video because the panting is about to be embarrassing. See you guys in my next video.